Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all that comes around to watch my videos. So today I'm going to be making fried fish, and the fish that I'm going to be using is tilapia. It is washed, cleaned and marinated, and I left it over in the refrigerator. So now I have my cornstarch, 2 spoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to be seasoning it with lemon pepper. So I'm adding the lemon pepper to the cornstarch, and I'm going to be mixing it together, and I'm going to add paprika, that is a hot paprika, and I'm going to be adding a chicken bouillon with salt. I'm going to mix it together. Make sure you season your flour or whatever you think you want to use to coat it very well. You can use bread crumbs. So I'm dipping the fish into the dry flour. What I use is cornstarch. I don't want it to be bready. I don't want it to be thick or chewy. I just want the fish to be a little bit crunchy. So I'm going to be doing this over and over because I have a couple of fish to batter. Make sure that you cover the surface of the fish with the seasoned cornstarch. Water taste from the tilapia. You know, tilapia has a kind of water taste. So this is the ones that have already been breaded, and I'm going to allow it to sit for a few minutes, and I will heat up my oil and start frying the fish. You fry on a low heat. I just added my onion because I want to add some flavor to the oil. That is onion and a stick of rosemary. As it's frying, you keep flipping it. Be careful because the oil is hot. I am very scared of hot oil, so I try to be very careful. So this is what you're going to do till you finish frying your fish. This is the first batch that I'm frying, and I will keep frying till the fish is over. So now the fish is ready and is well fried. You can eat the fish by itself, or you can eat it with rice or with chips or with anything that you desire to eat it with. So I want to say thank you all for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.